If you're a developer juggling projects, bugs, learning, and life admin across way too many tools, this is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to turn all of that into a single RPG-style operating system inside Notion. Welcome to the Developer's Hub. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have one character sheet, one dashboard, and a fully gamified XP system that levels up as you code, learn, fix bugs, and build habits. Let me give you a quick tour of what this looks like when it's up and running so you know what you're building toward. This home screen is your map. Each tile opens a different module: projects in Initiate Quests, tasks in Accept Bounties, bugs in Purge Glitches, knowledge in Access Codex, learning in Master Skills, journaling and habits in Open Journal and Daily Rituals, plus your character sheet and triumphs. Day to day, you'll mostly live in the Adventurer's base. This is your cockpit: active projects, today's tasks, high priority bugs, current learning, forged habits, recent logs, and your character's XP and streaks all in one view. All right, let's set this up from scratch. After you duplicate the template, the first thing you need is your character. In this user database, you should have just one row that represents you. You just have to simply click Profile and rename it to your name. This one record is the heart of the system. All your projects, tasks, bugs, docs, learning, habits, and logs will relate back to this character. If you accidentally create multiple user rows, your XP will get split and things will look broken. Next, let's create your first quest, a real project that you're working on. Inside Initiate Quests, you'll see the Projects database. Click New to create a project. Give it a clear name, set a status, add a due date if you like, and assign it to yourself or whoever in your team. From now on, this project will feed into your project XP and milestones. Completing it will help unlock project tiers like Project Progenitor and Architectural Ace in the Triumphs section. Now every quest needs bounties. Let's create tasks that belong to this project and to your character. In the Tasks database, click New. Name your task, set the status to something like To Do or In Progress, and choose the related project you just created. This link is critical. Your XP and achievement formulas rely on the task knowing which project it belongs to. If a task isn't linked, your project progress bar won't move. Once you've got a few tasks, you don't need to come back here every time. Instead, you'll work from the Adventurer's base. In My Daily Focus, you'll see a filtered view of your tasks for today or this sprint. When you finish a task, just move its status to Done right here. That one change does a lot behind the scenes. It updates task completion roll-ups and XP in your character sheet and pushes you closer to task milestones like First Step and Task Conqueror. Let's add bugs into the mix so your debugging work also contributes to your level. In Bug Tracker, click New and log an actual issue. Give it a title, set a severity, and link it to the related project. When you fix it later, switch its status to Closed or Resolved. Each resolved bug updates your bug XP and moves you closer to titles like Bug Squasher and Error Annihilator. You can see that progress in both your character sheet and in the debugging milestones section of Claim Triumphs. Now, let's wire your documentation into the same XP system. In All Docs, click New. Name your document, tag its type, and link it to a project. When it's ready, mark it as Published. That published state is what unlocks Docs XP and documentation milestones. You'll see your Docs published count and all Docs XP increase, and you can track progress toward tiers like First Lore, Code Scavenger, and Master Archivist over in Claim Triumphs. The same pattern applies to learning, habits, and logs. You always log real activity in the core databases, and the system handles XP and milestones for you. Add learning resources in Master Skills, mark them as completed, and watch your learning XP and learning milestones grow. Define habits and track completions in daily rituals. Use Open Journal for daily logs and reflections, and the template will reward streaks and consistency in the habit streak and daily log milestones. Once you're comfortable, you can customize things even more. Tweak how much XP each activity gives, adjust which statuses count as complete, or add new milestone tiers that fit your style of working. For now, here's your action plan. 1. Create your character. 2. Set up a real project and a few tasks. 3. Log one bug, one doc, one learning resource, one habit, and one daily log entry over the next week. Then come back to claim triumphs and see how far your developer has progressed. If this helped, feel free to tweak the template to match your own dev journey and share how you've customized it. If you still haven't got the template, you can check it out on the link below. It comes with a free basic version and 5 paid themes. Thanks for watching and enjoy leveling up your developer's hub.